Alright, this is without the case in here. This without the underwater thing and the mounting gear. It also came with a wireless remote control. And I'll show you in the bathroom in a second here of what I got here. Oh, I got a new case for my iPhone. There's Yasimoto-san. And what this does is it charges my phone. Look at that, see? Charges it all the time, which probably not good for it, but this is wireless charging and it's a case all in one. So I got that. And I got this right here. I don't know what the name of it is, but all I know is everybody says it's good reviews, the quality is so-so. The battery, it's got 2 batteries. It came with everything for a reasonable price. So I thought, why not try something different and see how it works. So I'm going to edit it right now and put it up for you guys and see how it turns out. So should turn out okay, I would think. If I know what I'm doing with this camera.